In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Microsoft Teams meeting invite. We'll walk through the whole process from inside Microsoft Teams so you can quickly schedule a meeting and make sure your invite looks clear and professional. Even if you're new to Teams, don't worry, I'll explain what everything means as we go along. First, open Microsoft Teams and look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several icons like Activity, Chat, and so on. Find the one labeled Calendar and click on it. This calendar view is where you can see all of your upcoming meetings and schedule new ones. It's similar to other calendar tools you might have used, but it's built directly into Teams, which makes creating online meetings really straightforward. Once you're in the calendar, look toward the top right area of the screen for a button that says New Meeting. Go ahead and click on New Meeting. This opens a meeting scheduling window, which is where you'll set up all the details of your invitation. Now, let's fill in the meeting details. At the top, you'll see a field for the meeting title. Type in a clear, descriptive name so people know what the meeting is about at a glance. For example, you might write something like Weekly Project Check-in or Client Presentation Review. Next, find the box where you can add required attendees. Here, start typing the email addresses or names of the people you want to invite. Teams will usually suggest contacts from your organization as you type. Make sure you select each person you want to include so they're all added to the invite. Below that, choose the date and time for the meeting. You can set the start time, the end time, and if needed, adjust the time zone. If your participants are in different locations, double check that the time works for everyone. You can also choose whether this is a one-time meeting or a recurring one by adjusting the repeat options if they are available. In the large description box, you can type in the agenda or any important notes. This is a great place to add a brief outline of what you'll cover, any files participants should review beforehand, or links they might need during the call. Once you've completed the title, attendees, date, time, and description, review everything one more time to make sure it's accurate. When you're happy with it, look for the